what's inside the box and become familiar with your new Swann pan and tilt security camera. In the box you should have a pan and tilt security camera, a power adapter, a 32GB micro SD card, a mounting stand, mounting screws and plugs, operating instructions, and theft deterrent stickers. Looking at the camera, you will find the camera lens, infrared LEDs for night vision, the motion sensor, the night detection sensor, the microphone, an LED indicator, a micro SD card slot, the speaker, a micro USB port, the reset button, a QR code for device pairing, and a threaded mounting hole.